Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Discord and Vencord must match compatibility. Download Vencord and place its files into a known folder. This matters because Vencord reads explicit paths. Next, enable developer mode in Discord so you can access advanced settings and confirm client build. Once done, open Vencord's installer or loader and point it at your Discord install. This first step ensures the mod hooks correctly and prevents mismatched versions from failing later. You now install and load themes inside Vencord's theme manager. Use add theme to import CSS or VCF files, or simply drag and drop into the manager. This keeps file locations consistent. Make sure to enable each theme and set the correct load order because later themes can override earlier styles. Enable hot reload so changes apply instantly, which speeds testing and prevents restarts. If a theme requires assets, place assets in the same folder. Finish by testing the theme across different channels and responsive widths, so you catch layout regressions. If visual glitches appear, disable plugins or swap theme order. Conflicts are common and swapping order often fixes override issues. Make a backup of original Discord files and your theme folder before major changes so you can revert quickly. If something still breaks, open the developer console to inspect style errors and missing asset paths. Those logs tell you exactly what to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.